Homelander reboots the universe.
I don't want your help.
I know. You made that very clear. Look at you. No harm done.
How'd you find me?
Not here to hurt you.
You mean like last time?
I'm immortal.
Then why do you give a shit about what happens to me?
Because we're family. I know you because I am you. And you're me.
I am nothing like you.
Everything is different now. I've ascended. You and I. That's all that matters.
I don't want to be anywhere near you.
It's all right.
Dad, get fucked.
Do what you want with it. Come and go as you please. You can have a whole floor of the tower.
Scaring people into calling you God doesn't make you God. Why the fuck would more power make you any better?
It's okay.
Miserable piece of shit.
You don't know what's going on. It's okay. But you will. One way or another. It's going to be a beautiful day. Smile, Father. Those who don't accept my truth will be the first to burn in my holy fire. Are the psychics in place?
Nationwide.
Good.
We're live in 5, 4, 3.
Happy Easter. You're Americans. You deserve a God who doesn't die. I was visited by an exquisite angel. Today, I bring you good news. I was awakened to my true purpose. To be the second coming. Her heavenly lips spilled sweet truth into my ear. I'm going to usher this world into a new golden dawn. I am your God. I am the Lord. Your Savior. So many people will never accept me into your hearts. No matter what I do, you will die the most horrible of deaths. And to such heretics I offer oblivion. I shall remain eternal.
Madam President, there is a threat on the building. A small group has infiltrated the tunnels.
Fuck my fucking life. Homelander's in the Oval Office. Proud of you, bitch.
Left.
Oi! This shot is diabolical. Come on, this way. I really need a new job. Evening, cunts. Daddy's home.
No. You little piece of shit. Everyone dies, starting with you. I'll give you bot. You want me to eat shit? I'll eat your fucking shit. I'll fucking suck your dick, please. Man, I am the Homelander.
I got you, kid.